This is Amber from WaveRez, and we're going to go over the overview for the matrix view. The matrix view is a view tab that you can find located up here. Once you click into the matrix view, you'll be presented with the matrix screen. It's organized by different trip types, so we have the glass bottom tours, pontoon rentals, and this is all customized to fit your needs. There's multiple different controls and things you can do from this screen. Some of the basics are being able to adjust availability on times and equipment, and that's disabling a time. But you can also view all disabled times with a clicker up there and quickly open times for the day. You can adjust online availability as well by quickly clicking this Enable Disable button at the top right hand side, and that will disable the online bookings without adjusting any of your availability. You can also view orders on this screen and see what you have left available for the day. Orders will show up in red, and the green will show the available bookings. Blocked is just simply to block any reservations at these times in order to prevent them from overbooking this particular equipment at that time. There are multiple controls, like I said. You can hover over each of these controls to see exactly what they do. We also have the time, like open and closing times for each particular trip listed in the gray bar above.